Let's make juicy Mexican chicken tacos in just minutes. Today, I'll show you how to make authentic Mexican chicken tacos that are packed with flavor, fresh toppings, and ready in no time. 500 grams chicken breast, sliced, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste, tortillas, diced onion, cilantro, lime, and salsa. Heat oil in a pan, add chicken and seasonings. Cook for 6 to 7 minutes until golden and juicy. Warm tortillas on a skillet for that soft, smoky touch. Fill each tortilla with chicken, then top with onion, fresh cilantro, a squeeze of lime, and your favorite salsa. Simple, colorful, and full of flavor. And there you have it, Mexican chicken tacos ready to enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and tasty recipes.